I think gold too as well. We talked about gold yesterday. Gold did not move to as expected yesterday. I don't know. We were expecting the breakout of that key level retest of structure, but that never happened as price continued to find lower lows. And I made mention yesterday that if we do have a breakdown of that bullish trend line, you can see what I'm saying here. Remember earlier on the US oil where I was explaining how sensitive it is when price is sitting on a trend line. It's very, very sensitive. Can you see how multiple rejection happened here? So we need confirmations before we can join that bullish momentum, and we didn't see that confirmation. The only signal we saw is this bearish move to the downside, and then we saw a retest of structure, and definitely it is a good time to sell the gold at this point. So if you had missed this, then we want to be looking for further confirmations in the form of a breakdown of structure around here. If I bring out my line chart here, we have something around here to play with going into the New York session. So we have a key level sitting right here at 1843. That's $1,843. Give me a moment to build this out. $1,843. So going back to our line chart at this point, our candlestick chart at this point. So let me delete this. This no longer holds. And let's delete this. Let's delete this so we can have a clear screen. Yeah. So that's that. So this buy opportunity area no longer holds. So we have a key level right here. So going into the New York session, there is a possibility that we could have a sharp move to the upside where we see moves going to the downside. However, if that does not happen, then we want to be looking for further breakdown of the skill level to give us confirmations. Then we look for a retest of structure and patterns on lower time frame to join the decline to the downside. So if we are joining decline to the downside, where's going to be our take profit target? So first of all, our stop loss will be right above that key level, which has around 400 pips. Then our take profit target can be, if you can extend that previous impulse leg, as is this impulse leg here, and we aim at 127.2 and 1414, then we should be having somewhere around here to take our profit. So we have around 1,000 pips to catch if price gives us that signal. And let me continue then. So what I'm saying here on the gold is this: I'm looking out for a breakdown of that key level, and then we want to look for a retest of structure, after which we look for patterns on the lower time frame supports a trend continuation to the downside. So we have a stop loss of around 300 pips, and with a take profit targets of 1,000. So that's like a risk reward ratio of 1 to 3. So that is our expectation here on the gold as we head into the weekend.